Recording, take two. Hi, good day. I just have one question, I guess. Um, what is carbon?
Why? Is it important?
What does it have to do with us and our environment?
In this video, we will define what is carbon and its cycle.
Oy, oy.
Good.
Carbon with the chemical symbol C and with the chemical number 6. Well, it's quite abundant in the universe. No, in Earth. Yeah, in Earth. You can see it in the softest things like cotton. You can see it in the hardest things like diamond. So I guess it isn't so different to us. Well, in this video, we'll find out more about carbon. So, let's check it out. Let's first start at the bottom of the earth. Deep underground. As I told you, diamond is made of carbon. And not just that, even the rarest metals and gems like ruby, like garnet, and a lot more. Well, as you can see in my script, and one of the most useful things from carbon, guess what? It's oil. And another thing, it's natural gas. Signing off.
Oil. We have always been using oil since ancient times. However, since the Industrial Revolution, we've been using oil quite frequently. In fact, using oil, burning it, releases carbon in our atmosphere. Carbon is released in our atmosphere as carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, the waste that we use when using fuel. Not only that, we also release carbon in the land as in the form of ash.
Animals like ducks, dogs, you name it, releases carbon as carbon dioxide through respiration. As we release into the atmosphere, some carbon mix into the water, spreading carbon to the sea and land again. Also, erosion can transfer carbon from land to sea.
As carbon falls in the sky and the rain infused with CO2, the plankton, in SpongeBob SquarePants, the tiny green one, they create their food using this and using it as a waste as well. Well, the dead animals and rotting corpses through time releases carbon also. Stored within them even ancient creatures like dinosaurs. And through extreme heat and pressure and a lot of time, transform into oil and food.
In a gist, carbon cycle pala. Teka lang. Alam ba yan? Final scene, take 3. In a gist, carbon cycle happens through respiration, up in a way in the atmosphere, and through what do you call that? Precipitation down to the earth.
From burning fuels onto the atmosphere,
Through rain down to the land and sea.
And through the dead creatures and the planktons of the sea.
Well, that's the carbon cycle. I'm Christopher Maramis.
I'm Argoso.
I'm Marthin and
I'm
Gregorio.
Yman, Nolasco.
And we're the carbon cycle. Come on!
Bye.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Jeez. Tapos na kami!